Got a real quick one here for you today. I got a Simon & Patrick guitar with some tuners that are just getting really tight as soon as they get in tune, and you almost can't turn them anymore. So easy fix for that, and I'll show you how to do it. I'm Dave with Stringing Together, and let's dive in. If you look right here, you can see clearly the issue, and this is a pretty common occurrence. If you've over tightened these, maybe you noticed they were loose and you just wanted to tighten them up, and then it can also just happen over time. You know, these things are made of plastic, they can get worn pretty easily. So this one's got one broken here, and then another one over here, and they're very cheap to buy. I think I bought these ones on Amazon for $8, so I'll put a link to those. Now I have a good supply of them. Here you can see the potential culprit, buildup of gunk in there. So that screw should just pop right out. Make sure you don't lose. I like to put my hand underneath it just so it doesn't fall on my gray floor and be lost forever. And then that just slides right off. Now if they're still stiff when you're spinning them around without those spacers in, then you can put a little bit of oil on there. I use this 3-in-1 oil. You really don't want too much, just one very tiny little speck. Too much oil can cause its own issues, but give it a spin around, make sure it's turning smoothly, and then you're ready to put those washers in. The white one is what slides up against the metal, and the black one is what locks the tuner head in place. And just tighten that screw up. I ended up swapping them all out just because they were getting a little bit stiff in all of them. But now they're turning like a dream. I'm guessing this was maybe a campfire guitar or something, because I could tell by the gunk in there, it almost looked like an ash or something. Like I said, that was a pretty quick one because it's a pretty quick fix, and I'll put a link to those spacers that I bought. They seem to work fine. They're $8 on Amazon in the description. You can also find some of my free resources there. I've got sort of an introductory course for leveling frets, as well as some guitar wiring resources in the description for you. And then you can enjoy playing and enjoy your week. I'll see you next week.